kids, good morning. Welcome to REM school. Myself Nikita and I am taking your English class and the subject is English grammar. Okay. Now students, yesterday we talk about the noun and proper noun and common noun. Okay. So the naming words called a noun. Okay. And there is a two parts of the noun, common noun and a proper noun, right? Then what is the common noun? It's a only naming words, है ना, particular name, place, thing, anything. But what is the proper noun? It's a special name. Any that things means only one thing is there. जैसे Taj Mahal, right? Then any other one thing in the world, it cannot be changed. any दूसरी चीज़ वो नहीं हो सकती है ना. So इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Special noun. Now today we talk about the nouns, but there is a difference in a noun. It's a one and many. Okay, क्या अभी करेंगे? One and many. So how many chalks I have? I have one chalk. Okay, now I have two. Okay, so more than one or two things, it's called many. If I have one, it's called one, and more than one, then it's called more than one means many. Okay, I have one chalk, so I speak it one chalk. I speak it one chalk. मैं chalks नहीं बोलूँगी, right? I say only chalk. If I have more than 2, 3, 4 chalk, then I say I have 5 chalks with me. Okay. So we read the definition and you write the definition in your notebook. Okay, kids. So nouns can name one thing or more than one thing. Nouns can name one thing or more than one thing. The nouns that name one thing are called singular noun. Which noun? It's called a singular nouns. I speak again, students. Nouns can name one thing or more than one thing. Nouns can name one thing or more than one thing. The nouns that name one thing are called singular noun. The nouns that more than one thing, I told you before, more than one thing are called a plural noun. Which noun? Plural noun. Okay, so there are many different rules. There are many different rules regarding pluralization. जैसे हम सिंगुलर को प्लूरल करेंगे, राइट? वन बुक, मैनी बुक्स. सो बुक के पीछे हम एस लगाएंगे, बट इन प्लूरल फॉर्म देयर इज अ डिफरेंट रूल कि विच इज़ द लास्ट लेटर. लास्ट लेटर कौन सा है, एंड में कौन सा लेटर आता है, डिपेंड ऑन दैट वी ऐड अदर प्लूरल लेटर्स. ओके, सो there are many different rules regarding pluralization depending on what letter a noun and in. कौन सा एंड में लेटर आता है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड है. अंडरस्टैंड किड्स? सो इन singular and plural noun, it's very easy, singular and plural noun, but in plural noun there is a different rules. जैसे कुछ भी हम राइट करते हैं तो उसके पीछे कौन सा लास्ट लेटर है उसके डिपेंड हम उसके पीछे एस, ई एस, आई ई एस, आई ई एफ एक्स्ट्रा प्लूरल फॉर्म लगाएंगे. ओके, सो हियर इज अ फर्स्ट रूल, वी ऐड एस. दिस इज द फर्स्ट रूल. किसके पीछे हम ओनली एस राइट करेंगे, है ना? कौन से लेटर के पीछे है हम ओनली एस राइट करेंगे. अंडरस्टैंड? सो देर आर मैनी डिफरेंट रूल्स. द फर्स्ट रूल इज वी ऐड एस एट द एंड ऑफ सम नाउन To make them plural, we add only s. What we add? Only s at the end of some noun to make them plural. Okay, so here is a one triangle. How many triangle? One. And here is a 1 2 3 4 triangles. What we speak? One triangle, many triangles. One flower, many flowers. This singular and plural you already learned in a first standard. Okay, but here it will come in a deep and with a rules and regulation. उसके rules के मुजब हमें जाना है. Okay, so one and many. Next, this is the exercise which is in your book. I will explain you. Okay, now first is be. Here is not any rule. Here is just a noun. ये सब क्या है? Noun है. Okay, so we add s after completing this noun. उसमें इसमें कुछ भी रूल्स नहीं है, जस्ट वी हैव टू एड एस. ओके, सो आई स्टार्ट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट. बी डबल ई बी, तो वी एड बी डबल ई एस, बीस. व्हाट वी एड? एस, बीस. वन बी, मैनी बीस. फ्रॉग, एफ आर ओ जी, फ्रॉग. We add s, frogs. Duck, ducks. Yes, chick, chicks. We add only s. What we add only? Only s. Here is no rule, just adding s. Ball, balls. One ball, many balls. One apple, many apples. We add, what we add at last? S. Yes. Desk, desks. You write your homework on desk. Bed, B-E-D, bed. Beds. Okay. So here is the first rule. Which rule? Here is the first rule, so we add only s. Okay, understand this rules and kids. This is the plural form. Okay, now we start a second rule. Okay kids, we learn about the second rule. Okay, we learn about the second rule. We add es to make a singular form in a plural form. Okay, so here is the second rule. We add es to some nouns. We add es to some noun that end in which letter end with a o, sh, x, s or ch to make them plural. Okay, then ये we add es to some nouns that end in o, sh, x, s or ch to make them plural. Okay, तो जो भी noun हो उसके लास्ट में you read the first noun, then see the last two letters. Okay, see the last two letters. If the last two letter is end with this word, with this letters, then put at last es. Okay, if the last two letter या one letter is end with this letters o, sh, x, s or ch, then make a plural form by putting es. Okay, now I give you the example. See, b-e and ch, here is a bench. So what is the last two letter is? Which are the last two letter? ch. कौन सा है? ch. Here आपने देखा ना o, sh, x, s और ch. So bench noun is used and with a ch letter. Okay, so we remove the ch and write benches. We add ches. Okay, benches, benches. Here is a one bench. ये वन बेंच के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं हम, पर उसको प्लूरल राइट करना है हमें. सो वी ऐड बेंचेस. व्हाट वी से? बेंचेस. नाउ सेकंड इज पोटैटो. तो व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ द पोटैटो? POTATO, पोटैटो. सो विच इज द लास्ट लेटर? हियर O. Here is also O. So what is the rule? We add es to some noun that end in O. So what we add? Potatoes. What we add? Es and write potatoes. POTATOES, potatoes. Okay kids. Now third. Which is the third noun? Box. So what is the last letter? Last letter is X. So here is also X. So with this rule we follow and keep es to make them plural. BOXES, boxes. BOXES, boxes. One box, many boxes. Okay, same like dress. DRESS, dress. We write dresses. DRESSES, dresses. Okay, one dress, many dresses. Brush. Here is a brush. So what is the last two letter is SH. So here is a SH. Okay, so this rule we follow. SH, brushes. BRUSHES, BRUSHES, brushes. Okay, next bus. Right, so what is the plural form of the bus is? BUS. We add ES. What we add? ES, buses. Tomato. तो टोमेटो का प्लूरल क्या करेंगे? वन टोमेटो, मैनी टोमेटोज. सो वी राइट टोमेटोज. TOMATO. This is the last letter is O. Okay, so we add ES, tomatoes. Dish. What is the plural form? Dish का? Dishes. DISHES, dishes. Then tax. So what is the plural form of the tax? Here is the last letter is X. Same like box. Box में आया ना X. Same here tax. So what is the plural form of the taxes? TAXES. Okay. So we add. हमने क्या ऐड किया लास्ट में? ES. What we add at the end? ES. So this is the second rule. First rule में हमने plural बनाने के लिए क्या ऐड किया था? Only S. And the second rule we add ES. But why we add ES? If the noun is end with these letters O, SH, X, S or CH, then we add only ES. Otherwise we don't add ES. Okay kids, now speak one time. Bench, benches. Potato, potatoes. Box, boxes. Dress, dresses. Brush, brushes. Bush, buses. Tomato, tomatoes. Dish, dishes. And taxes. Okay kids, so this is our second rule by adding ES. Okay, now, okay kids, so here is a third rule is we add VES. What we add? VES. We add VES to some nouns that end in, कहाँ से एंड होते हैं? F और FE. What? F और FE to make plural. Singular में FE और only F हो, so we add only VES. Okay, so this is the third rule of the plural nouns. Now I write the plural forms. Okay, see here, what is the spelling of the knife? KNIFE, knife. So what we remove, यहाँ पे हमको remove करना है, add करके उसमें add नहीं करना है. Okay, so we remove, what we remove? FE. Here is last two letter is FE, so we remove FE and add VES. So here KNIVES, उसका plural form क्या हुआ? What is the plural form of the knife? Knives. What we say? Knives. KNIVES, knives. Leaf, leaves. What we remove? F remove. Okay, LEAF, leaf. What is the plural form of the leaf? Leaves. What we say? Leaves. Now this is thief. What is the spelling of the thief? THIEF, thief. So what is the last letter is F. So what is the rule? Add VES. THIE, we remove F and add VES, thieves. Okay, now calf. So we CAL, remove F, last letter is F, so we remove F and add VES, cows. CAL VES, cows. Loaf, LOA, remove F and VES, loaves. Now wolf, wolf में F is the last letter, so we remove F and add VES. What is the plural form of the wolf? Wolves. What we say? Wolves. Wolf, wolves. Wife, wives. WIFE add करेंगे? No. We remove it and what we write? WIVES. We remove FE. Okay, and ELF. So we remove F and add EL, elves. What we say? Elves. So I speak one time. We add VES to some noun that end in F or FE to make them plural. So knife, knives. Leaf, leaves. Thief, thieves. Cow, cows. Loaf, loaves. Wolf, wolves. Wife, wives. Elf, elves. Okay kids, so this is our third rule in a plural form. Okay my dear friends, now we understand the fourth rule. Okay kids, so here is the fourth rule of plural form. Okay, so here is the IES, last rule. This is our last rule. First rule is S. Okay, we add S. Second rule is we add ES. Okay, third rule is we add VES. The fourth rule is IES. Okay, when we add IES, हम कब IES add करेंगे? When a word end in Y. कब add करेंगे? When the end in Y. Okay, the noun end in Y. We usually drop the Y. And add IES. What we add? क्या add करेंगे हम? We add IES to make its plural. उसको plural करने के लिए हम we add IES. But when we add, when the last letter is Y. Okay. So here is some example of Y nouns. Ferry. puppy, lady, baby, cherry, city, army. Okay, so here is the in all this nouns and spelling, the last letter is Y. Here is last is Y. Okay, so we add, what we add? IES. In Y we usually drop the Y, we remove Y, drop the Y and add IES. So kids, see here, I write here puppy, puppies, PAPPIES, puppies. We cancel, remove, drop the Y and add IES. Lady, ladies, LADIES, ladies. Baby, babies, baby, babies. Next is cherry, cherries, cherries. City, cities, CITIES, cities. Army, armies, ARMIES. So we add IES when the noun end with a Y letter. Okay, so today we understand the singular and plural noun, and there is a different rule for plural noun. Okay, which are the rules? S, add S, okay, add IES, add VES and add IES. Okay, so here is the 4 or 5 rules to make singular form to plural form, and there are no rules for some plural noun. Which are they? They are man. So M-A, what is the spelling of the man? M-E-N, man. Okay, so here is a M-A-N, man. But what is the plural form of the man? It's a M-E-N, man. There is a no rule for that. मैन के पीछे हम एस नहीं लगाएंगे. ओके, वी डोंट राइट एस. जैसे हम कोई पर्सन होता है उसको मैन को मैंस नहीं बोलेंगे. क्या बोलेंगे? उसका प्लूरल फॉर्म क्या आएगा? M-E-N, मैन. देन फुट, वेयर इज अवर फुट? यस, तो फुट का प्लूरल क्या होगा? फिट. व्हाट कम्स? FEET, फिट. तो उसके पीछे हम ऐसा नहीं एस ऐड करेंगे. ओके, तो दिस इज नॉट अ रूल फॉर दिस स्पेलिंग. ओके किड्स, so we completed this chapter, noun, one and many noun. Okay, singular and plural. So do in your book and write this exercise also and fill up the answers in your textbook. Okay kids, till then bye and take care.